Hello guys, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a natural makeup look. Anyway, let's get right into it. First, we're gonna use a primer. We're going to all over our face. Then we're gonna use the concealer. I'm using the Pro Longer concealer by MAC. We are using the NARS bronzing cream. So I'm putting in the tip of my, like right below the cupid bone right here. So we're gonna add our bronzer right here. And then I'm gonna add some in our forehead. Right, and also right there. So this is the bone, right? This is our bone. So we're gonna put it right below the bone so it can make our jaw pop a little. Right there. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna use our foundation. This is foundation by Mario. I add 2 pumps in my finger, and then I'm just gonna put it all over my face, all over where I don't have product. So my nose right here, this right there. Okay. We're gonna start with the lighter part. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell. We're gonna start blending from lightest to darkest. Alright, so under our eyes first. Let's spray. We're gonna spray some water. Alright.
Thank God for sending me an angel to help me view life in every different angles. Cause being young and dumb, you seem to get tangled up in situations that shoot.
Now we're gonna set the face. Wipe all the excess out. Laura Mercier and Honey Shade. And then we set in our face. So all right here. We're gonna add everywhere we add highlight. We added it in our down here. We added it here. So what I'm doing, I'm pushing it into the skin, right? Very little bit, and then push it into the skin, just like that. Push it in, and voila. Alright, we're gonna add a little bit down there to make our bronzers pop a little bit. We're gonna add just below the bronzer line, right here, and there. We're gonna set the rest of our face using a Fenty bronzer. It's in the shade Mocha Mommy. Everywhere we add our bronzing cream, that's where we're gonna add our bronzing powder. So anywhere you add cream, you have to set it with a powder so it doesn't move. This is a simple makeup, so we're not gonna do eye makeup. Right now we're gonna set everything together so there's no separation between light, dark. I'm using the Morphe translucent powder in the darkest shade. This brush is from Life Beauty, so we're getting a little bit from the top. We shake it a little bit in our hand. So we're gonna add in the corner of our nose first, because when you smile, I have the smile line right there. I want it to stay put right where there is a line of demarcation. We kind of press them in right there. Add powder so it looks seamless. You know what I'm saying? There's no separation whatsoever. Earlier, I forgot to set my nose, the contour of my nose, which is one of the most important. I forgot to set it. I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara. I'm using mascara by MAC Stacks. We're gonna do our eyebrows. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. I'm using the dark brown color. And add okay, I'm gonna get the mirror a little closer to me so I can see. To me, we're gonna add a little blush, even though it's a natural makeup. Just a little blush by NARS. And that's it. We're gonna add a little pop of color, just a little bit, to make everything, you know, to give it a little life, right? So we're just adding a little bit of color. Right here on top of our cupid bone. So this is color, this is not color. Color, not color. Which one do you like? Anyway, you can add it on your nose if you like. Right here, you know, when you smile, just a little bit. Just like that. Alright. You can add a little bit of highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter so far by my Mario. Just a little bit, because this is a natural look, right? On top of the cupid bone right there. So we'll be adding it. Just like that. I don't know if you can tell. And then we up. Alright, just a little bit. We're gonna add a little bit on our nose right there. You can add a little bit on top of that the eyebrow bone, which is right here. So right there. So we're gonna do our lips. We're gonna make sure it's nice and juicy lips. So we're adding a dark, this is a highliner, right? And then and the line right there. Step 1. Step 2, the LA Girl eyeliner, and then the color is brown. And then we're gonna add it throughout the lip. You see, it's pretty much dark right now. So now, this is from Urban Decay. The color is matte from Urban Decay. Anyway, so we're gonna add this a little lighter. We're gonna add it in the middle of our lips. And this concludes our makeup look. I don't know what are we missing. Are we missing from anything? If you want the lip to be lighter, you can add a little hint, right?